Attention maintenance technicians. What if I told you that you could replace your whole entire salary with QQQI ETF? In this video, we're going to go over the numbers. And you won't have to trade your time for money anymore. In this video, we're going to look at the entry level salary, median level salary, and last but not least, the peak level salary. And we're also going to use QQQI's 14% dividend yield in order to get our figures. Let's break down the salaries. The entry-level salary for a maintenance technician is $36,000 a year. The median salary for a maintenance technician is $56,000 a year. And the peak salary for a maintenance technician is $71,000 a year. All right, guys, let's get to our QQQI figures. To replace the entry-level salary, we would need to take $36,000 and divide it by 0.14. That's going to give us $258,000 worth of QQQI. To replace the median salary, we will have to take $56,000 and divide it by 0.14. That's going to give us exactly $400,000 worth of QQQI. Last but not least, peak salary. To replace our peak salary, we're going to have to take $71,000 and divide it by 0.14. That's going to give us $508,000 worth of QQQI. Guys, you're probably watching this video and you're feeling a sigh of relief. And yes, guys, I would agree with you. I would be relieved too if I was looking at these numbers, because we have been always taught that we need a seven-figure salary in order to become financially free. But guys, you got to think about this. Even though these numbers aren't as big as you thought they would be, these numbers are still large and it still takes a while to achieve. Unfortunately, most people do not achieve these figures, even though they have worked for 40 years and they are trading their time for money. But the people that achieve these figures, they invest consistently, reinvest their dividend income, and invest throughout all types of market conditions. Think about it. If you have the passive income to replace your whole entire salary, that you can pay all of your bills, what does that mean? No long hours, no unpredictable schedules, no wear and tear on your joints, and no troubleshooting under pressure. This video is scenario based. I am not a financial advisor. This video is for informational purposes, so always do your own due diligence. And guys, keep in mind, QQQI is just like any other investment. It carries risk. Guys, you got to understand that QQQI's NAV can erode, the dividend can decline, and also the dividend can be completely cut. So never invest all of your eggs into one basket. All right, guys, that's all I have for you. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and also hit that notification bell so you know when my next video will pop up. All right, folks, see you all in the next video. Have a good one.